what's up everyone? This is Chris back with the Bimmer Barn, and today we're going to be getting my E39 M5 wagon ready for its first car show, and Goose is going to be coming with us too. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to wash it, and I've got everything ready behind me here. I'm going to show you guys what that is. I'll actually put some links in the description below to what I'm using. So first I'm going to wash the car, then I'm going to vacuum the inside and clean up the interior a bit, and then we're going to be heading out to our first car meet with the E39 M5 wagon. So I'm really excited to bring it out. I feel like it's running well enough and it looks good enough that we can bring it out to a car meet without really getting embarrassed. And I think that there's going to be a lot of other BMWs there because it's BMW night at Ace Cafe. So I can't wait to take you guys along as we go to the first car meet today with the M5 wagon, and I look forward to showing you guys some cool shots from the meet as well. So without further ado, let's get straight to washing the car, and then let's hop in and let's go to the car meet. So the last time that we washed the car was before the 1,600-mile road trip, and if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put a link to it up above. But we use the Turtle Wax ceramic hybrid spray, and it works really good. The car is still beating really well, and I've even washed it twice since this coating, so I'm really happy with the results, and I don't feel like it needs another coating. But what we're gonna do instead is use the Meguiar's quick detailing spray, and this just smells really good. It adds kind of like a quick wax layer on top of the car, and it's great here in Florida because when you wash a car and then the water dries on top of the paint, it leaves marks. But this with a clean microfiber is streak free, and it'll give it a really nice like waxy finish. So now I'm gonna coat the outside of the paint with this, and then we're going to use Rain-X on the windows. So now that our carpets are completely clean, we vacuumed the inside of the car. Now I was using a Harbor Freight vacuum. It's actually really powerful and works really good for a very good price. I'll link it down below. What we're gonna do to the seats is we're gonna recondition them with a bit of Meguiar's Rich Leather reconditioner. And all you do is you kind of spray it on, and it comes out really thick. And then I would really say if your seats haven't been conditioned in a long time, you can spray on a lot because this stuff gets absorbed really quickly. And you can see just those couple of sprays there are all gone. And what this does is it just soaks into the leather. I noticed that it gives a lot more depth, a little more color to the leather. And at the same time, we're cleaning it, we're reconditioning it. What you would probably do at the end is you would wipe it down with some microfibers for the excess. But these seats, as much as I've put this conditioner in them, they just keep absorbing. So I know that there's more to go with these seats. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the whole seat over, use this goat hair brush to really agitate it and get the conditioner deep in the leather. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this seat, and then we'll move on to cleaning the doors a little bit and the cluster and the bits inside here. Now the method that I like to use to clean the interior is just a bit of glass cleaner. This is a good solution to use inside of a car because it's soft and it basically, you know, creates a streak-free finish, so it doesn't leave any residue or anything like that. You can use it even to remove adhesives. So I like to spray it pretty lightly and then really get the dust out of the nooks and crannies using the goat hair brush, and then the microfiber to wipe it all off, and it should leave everything really clean. So we've got the whole car cleaned up now, everything from the seats being reconditioned to the interior just being cleaned off, no more dust, no more fingerprints anywhere. And we also vacuumed the inside carpets here. Now, one thing that you should do when you clean your car is wash the door sills or wipe them off once you're done, because there'll be a little bit of water here and a lot of people forget about this area, but when you open the door, you want that to shine. So now that the car's clean, I need to get clean. So I'm gonna hop inside the house, grab a shower really quick, and then we're gonna hop in the car. I'll show you guys maybe some POV driving footage to the car meet. And then at the car meet, I'll show you guys all the cars, including ours parked up and all the other BMWs at Ace Cafe. I love the matching shirt.
That's crazy. 1957.
Bimmer.